To be massacred.
For forgiveness.
Where does it say that, Tomin? Where does it say that?
The Ori
are not gods.
You should kill me now.
There is a building in the village square that disappeared upon our arrival. You will tell me what trickery is being used to conceal it.
I realize now it's too late.
Yes, it
Rescue.
I realize now it's too late.
Yes, it is. You'll never see me again.
One last story. From me. A long time ago, some people just like you and me, over time evolved. They became so advanced that they figured out how to turn themselves into energy and ascend to a higher plane of existence. I know, it sounds crazy, but it happened. Then they discovered that if regular humans worshipped them, that made them more powerful. So they used their knowledge to make as many people as they could, and then created a religion that would force them to prostrate in their name. The more prostrating, the more power. The religion said that these beings were benevolent, but they couldn't offer their followers ascension because that would mean they'd have to share their power. They just used people up and throw them away. I know I'll never convince you otherwise, but everything you believe is a lie.
Tell me what you know.